Cha-cha now, y'all. Oh, yeah. Yeah, do that stuff. Do it.
Great job to our